Hi and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back once again to Technology Information Channel. Today in this video I am gonna to practically draw and explain the wiring diagram of the 6-wire voltage regulator rectifier. This is widely used in most type of engine including motorcycle, heavy bikes and also the Kubota tractor engines and also the Perkins HP 430, 403 and 404C models engines. This is widely used. I will explain briefly and practically draw the diagram and the wiring installation methods of the voltage regulator rectifier 6-pin 12 volts. So before starting the video, a small request to all newcomers: if you are first time on my channel, please make sure to subscribe and also don't forget to hit the bell notification to get latest update videos. So let's begin. As you can see, this is our 12 volt voltage regulator rectifier 6 pins. This coming most time 4 pin, 5 pin, but today video is about 6 pins. This is our dynamo, 14 volt AC dynamo, and this is our 12 volt battery, and this is our voltage rectifier 6 pins. This is also the connector of this 6 pin voltage rectifier. So let me explain and practically draw the diagram, because a lot of my viewers say in comments, I got a lot of comments, please make the practical video, but unfortunately I not got this time a problem to make the practical video. So this is really be close to the practical wiring. Once time you understand the concept and the basic, you are able to do the wiring diagram fix, and you are able to install the new, and you are able to troubleshoot. So before the start, so don't wasting further any time, so let's begin. First of all, as you can see, this is our 6 pin, and here is the pin order also mentioned with the pin number 1. It start from this side: pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, 5, 6, and also as you can see, pin 1 coil, power coil, ground, pin number 2 is ground negative, pin number 3 is power coil and charging lamp, and also the ignition switch, and also the battery positive. So let me practically draw. First of all, let me select the draw and black for the negative. So let me draw practically the wiring connection and how to connect all the system together. First of all, let me select the black color, and as you can see, this one is our battery negative post, and we have to connect this with the battery ground of the connector. As you can see, this is our connector. This is most time is connected with this negative with the engine chassis ground or with the battery negative. So let me draw, take from the battery negative and connect with this. Understand, this is connected, and also this wire is connected with the ground. This is our ground. Okay, and after that, as you can see, we have power coils, pin 1 and pin 3. Here as you can see, pin 1 and pin 3, and also as you can see, the color of these two wire, pin 1 and pin 3, is also matched with this dynamo. This is the 14 volt AC dynamo. This can send 14 volt AC to this voltage regulator rectifier. This can rectify and convert to DC and feed to the battery to charge the battery. Okay, so let me draw. Let me select also again the blue wire, and this have no polarity issue. You can connect this to 1 or to 3, and this 1 or to 3, but one wire to pin number 1 and pin number 3. So let me draw, take from here and also provide to pin number 1, and also again take from the pin number, again from the dynamo, and provide to pin number 3. This two wire is also finished. Okay, and this wire is done. So let me small question mark this wires which is done. Okay, pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 3 is done, and negative is done. So the positive is remain. Let me take select the red color and draw from the red, as you can see here, to this. Okay, this connect with this. We have also remain 2 wire, pin number 4 and pin number 5. Okay, this is coming from the ignition key switch. Okay, from the ignition key switch. Okay, this is coming from the ignition key switch. As you can see, ignition key switch. Ignition key switch when from the accessory, okay, from the accessory. This is also positive. Let me take another positive from the ignition key and provide it to the ignition key switch. Okay, as you can see, this is also positive. This is coming from the ignition key switch accessory. Accessory also feeding positive. Okay, one is final and finished. As you can see, the charging lamp. We have a charging lamp like that. Okay, 12 volts. The one side is grounded with the engine chassis or with the battery negative grounded, and the another side we should connect to the charging lamp, this one. Okay, this is the complete wiring diagram, practically wiring diagram of 6-wire voltage regulator rectifier. So if you have further any question, any confusion, you can directly contact with me. My Gmail is available in this video description. So it's for now. Thanks for watching. See you all next time. Goodbye.